Good day, everyone. I am Professor Frank. Today our topic will be on brand value and attributes. Brand value is not what a company claims. Brand value is what consumers believe. This distinction is critical. A brand may communicate quality, but if consumers do not perceive quality, brand value weakens. Perceived brand value refers to the worth that customers assign to a brand. This worth is not limited to price. It includes symbolic meaning, functional performance, emotional satisfaction. Perception is shaped by communication, is shaped by experience, is shaped by reputation. Let's consider Rolex. The price of a Rolex watch is high, yet demand remains strong. Why? Because the perceived value includes prestige, status, craftsmanship, heritage. Now consider Coca Cola. It sells a simple beverage. It commands strong loyalty. The perceived value lies in emotional association, happiness, celebration, togetherness. In Malaysia, Petronas has cultivated strong perceived value. Its festive advertisements focus on unity and family values. This emotional positioning strengthens trust. Perceived value directly influences business performance. High perceived value allows premium pricing. It increases customer retention. It reduces price sensitivity. Nike demonstrates this clearly. The slogan, "Just Do It," represents more than shoes. It represents aspiration and discipline. Consumers buy into identity, not just product features. Perceived value also builds brand equity. Brand equity is the additional value a brand name adds to a product. It differentiates one offering from another. Adidas competes with Nike. Lenovo competes with other technology brands. Yet perceived value influences preference. Consistency is essential. If communication changes direction frequently, perceived value becomes unstable. Brands must communicate consistently across platforms. Advertising, digital presence, retail experience. Perceived brand value is therefore strategic. It requires long-term discipline. Without strong perceived value, a brand competes only on price, and price competition is rarely sustainable. Before we continue, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your classmates. We now move to brand identification. Brand identification is how a brand presents itself visually and emotionally. It includes logos, colors, typography, tone of voice, but it is more than design. It is the expression of the brand's personality. A logo is not just a symbol. It represents meaning. Consider Apple. The logo reflects simplicity, innovation, elegance. The design of Apple stores reinforces this identity. Minimalistic layout, clean lines, controlled lighting. Every element communicates consistency. In Malaysia, AirAsia provides another example. Its red color scheme communicates energy and affordability. Its messaging emphasizes accessibility and opportunity. Brand identification must remain consistent across all channels. When Tropicana redesigned its packaging drastically, consumers reacted negatively. Sales declined. Why? Because brand identification had been disrupted. Consumers form emotional attachments to visual symbols. These attachments influence purchase decisions. Brand identification also requires research. A brand cannot select colors or fonts based on personal preference. It must consider target audience perception. For example, financial institutions often use blue. Blue signals trust and stability. Luxury brands often use black and gold. These colors signal prestige. Brand identification also includes verbal identity. Taglines, messaging style, brand voice. Google maintains simplicity across its communication. This reinforces accessibility and innovation. In building a new brand, the process begins with market research. Then positioning is defined. Then visual identity is developed. Consistency must be protected through brand guidelines. Legal elements also play a role. Trademarks, copyright protection, disclaimers. Brand identification evolves over time, but must evolve carefully. Sudden drastic changes may confuse consumers. Strategically, brand identification shapes recognition. Tactically, it guides design execution. Without strong identification, perceived value cannot be reinforced. We now examine self-identity theory. This theory explains why consumers choose certain brands. Consumers do not select brands solely for function. They select brands that reflect who they are, or who they aspire to become. Self-identity theory suggests that individuals categorize themselves into groups. These groups influence behavior. People prefer brands that reinforce their self-concept. Harley Davidson is a strong example. It does not merely sell motorcycles. It sells a lifestyle. Owners identify with freedom, adventure, independence. The Harley Owners Group builds community. Community strengthens identity. Jeep uses a similar strategy. Jeep events create belonging among enthusiasts. Luxury brands such as Louis Vuitton and Rolex appeal to status identity. Ownership communicates social standing. In Malaysia, local streetwear brands appeal to youth identity. Consumers wear these brands to signal belonging to urban culture. Self-identity operates at two levels: personal identity and social identity. Personal identity reflects individual uniqueness. Social identity reflects group belonging. Nike appeals to both. It allows customization of products. This supports personal identity. At the same time, it builds community around athletic excellence. This supports social identity. Marketing communication must therefore align with the target audience's self-concept. If a brand misaligns with identity, rejection occurs. A conservative consumer will not adopt a rebellious brand identity. A luxury-oriented consumer will not respond to discount messaging. Self-identity alignment enhances loyalty. It strengthens emotional bonds. It increases advocacy. Strategically, this requires deep understanding of consumer psychology. Tactically, communication must reflect lifestyle imagery, language tone, community engagement. Brand communities are powerful tools. They create belonging. Belonging creates loyalty. Finally, in conclusion, we can say that brand value is built through perception. Brand identification shapes recognition. Self-identity theory explains emotional alignment. These elements are interconnected. Perceived value strengthens equity. Identification reinforces visibility. Self-identity builds loyalty. As postgraduate students, you must analyze brand strategies beyond surface messaging. Ask critical questions. Does communication reinforce perceived value? Does visual identity reflect positioning? Does the brand align with consumer self-concept? Strong brands succeed not by accident. They succeed through strategic coherence. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share my videos in your university. Thank you.